Shey una don hear?
What?
Court has given EFCC the order to seize 40 landed properties belonging to Senator Ekweremadu.
Really?
40 exquisite landed properties. And most of these properties were acquired abroad.
God will see us.
Amongst these 40 we are talking about includes a house that was acquired in Varsity Court, London, which was acquired for £830,000. Using the current exchange rate, £1 is almost 1,000 naira. That is 8.3 billion naira.
That is not corruption.
The one in Florida, USA, was acquired for £150,000, around 1.5 billion naira.
With the big eye.
The one in Ikoyi, Lagos, was 630 million naira. The one in Abuja, 700 million naira. And the one in Dubai, $250,000. That is just 5 amongst the 40 properties.
You went to prison.
Now let's forget the other 39. Let's focus on this one of 8.3 billion naira.
Okay.
Let's assume that since this person came into politics, all his salaries and allowances, he has not touched 1 naira. If you put it together, can it be up to 8.3 billion naira?
It's not lie. Now are you?
Some of our leaders they have become so corrupt that everything they do now must be illegal, including harvesting kidneys.
Yeah!
If you don't get it, forget about it.
Now, my problem is not that our leaders are corrupt, because before we used to complain that our officials are corrupt, but right now our corruption is now official.
Hey!
But my problem is when they take these monies that can be used to improve the lives of the people, they go and invest it abroad.
Wickedness.
They buy landed properties abroad. They pay taxes to governments abroad. They buy shares in foreign companies. They help to expand these companies, creating jobs for foreigners, while their own youths are wallowing on the streets, doing nothing.
Now photo and a vote.
How many London leaders have come to buy house in Nigeria? How many Dubai leaders have come to buy houses in Nigeria? These people are investing in their countries because they believe in their countries. But we have leaders that are leading a country that they don't even believe in.
Not be juju be
That's
that.
why every day they carry us, they go where we don't know.
Hell.
They would steal money. They'll go and dump it in foreign banks. These foreign banks will use the money and add to their own economy and keep growing their economy.
You get it?
Tomorrow, the same leaders will not go to these same foreign countries to go and beg for loans.
Photo.
And they will give them the same money they deposited there yesterday and give it to them as loans with interest.
What kind of plan is this?
When you go to a foreign country to ask them for loans and they give you the same money you deposited with them some years ago, what do you call it? That is what they call chain reaction in chemistry.
This man.
That is what they call law of diminishing returns in economics.
What?
That is what they call anything that goes around comes around.
Learn a lesson.
They have looted the past.
Hell.
They have looted the present. They have started looting the future. Because all the money they have borrowed from China and other countries, we don't know what they have done with it. And now China is coming to build a police station in our country.
What?
And that country is coming to gradually take over your country. And you think it doesn't concern you. You have not gotten your PVC yet.
We have to rise up.
All this money that human beings are stealing, what are they actually going to do with it?
Rich watch and cup of tea. Oh.
Central Bank announced that they released 3 trillion naira some years back. And now what they can keep track of is only 1.7 trillion. That means 1.3 trillion is sleeping in people's houses. Yeah, now that they say they want to do naira redesign, all the monies are coming out.
Jesus Christ.
What are they going to do with all this money?
Sorry.